Later this afternoon, they're going to be holding the first full parliamentary votes, where, of course, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's government has the majority, a 64-seat majority. And they're going to vote on a few pieces of legislation. It has to be noted this will be the first of what is needed to become a law, and that is 3 votes. So this is only the first one. And part of the legislation really already we can see is aimed at weakening the Supreme Court. First of all, one part of the bill will give the ruling coalition, that is whatever government is in power, an automatic majority on the panel that chooses judges, not just the Supreme Court, but across the country. So when you hear critics talking about politicizing the judicial system, this is specifically what they mean. The other important issue that's going to be voted on today is a bill to restrict the oversight of the Supreme Court on what's called Israel's basic laws. Now, Israel doesn't have a constitution. Those basic laws are considered nearly sacred. But when governments come in and try to change them, the Supreme Court until now has had the right to review that and see if it's democratic, if it protects civil rights and minority rights. Well, this government is trying to take that right away from the Supreme Court, which is one of its most important responsibilities. Both of those issues are expected to pass in the Knesset, in the Israel's parliament, because, of course, the government has a 64-seat majority.